Are you looking for ways to help your students cope with change and uncertainty? Have you tried introducing yoga or mindfulness programs in your classroom, but still feel like something is missing? Are you looking for ways to embody holistic wellness and SEL to help your students heal their trauma while also helping you avoid burnout? The Brain Power Wellness Teacher Course has empowered thousands of teachers to create classroom cultures rooted in SEL, mindfulness, and neuroscience, with hands-on tools proven to enhance student engagement, improve learning efficiency, and heal trauma, all while promoting wellness and sustainable self-care for teachers. My name is Dave Beal. I'm the Executive Director for Brain Power Wellness and author of the book, The Brain Power Classroom. Almost 20 years ago, I became a teacher because I truly wanted to create a more peaceful, just, and sustainable world. After trying many different programs to engage the students in my high-needs Brooklyn public school, I realized it was time for a different approach. In my third year, I began practicing yoga and Tai Chi and incorporating brain-based mindfulness training in my classroom. The results for my students and myself were inspiring. After leading a school-wide mindfulness program for 3 years, I made the difficult decision to leave the classroom to share these techniques with educators around the country. Since 2007, our diverse team of certified mind-body trainers within Brain Power Wellness have personally coached more than 500 schools, 25,000 teachers, and 500,000 students around the world. Our research-based programs help students increase empathy, self-regulation, and altruistic decision-making, while improving essential cognitive outcomes such as memory and learning efficiency. 97% of our teachers believe our methods help them stay positive, connect meaningfully with their students, and create a harmonious classroom environment. We're excited to launch a new, upgraded online version of our flagship Brain Power Teacher Workshop. In this 6-week course, you'll experience more than 40 hands-on SEL exercises and mindfulness activities, as well as coaching in how to integrate brain-based, culturally responsive, and trauma-informed practices in an in-person, blended, or fully remote setting. My expert staff and I will guide you through 3 live online sessions and will moderate the interactive discussion forum. You'll receive access to our elite online learning community, which includes a digital teaching binder, exercise card deck, more than 50 instructional videos, and an international online community of passionate mindfulness teachers. And the first 50 people who register for our February 1st cohort will receive a signed copy of the Brain Power Classroom book, as well as free access to my weekly live online educator wellness sessions for the entire calendar year. Let's create, let's embody, and let's truly be the change that we want to see in our classrooms, in our communities, and in our world. Click on the link below to register for this transformative course. I look forward to training with you.